Hey guys, Ash here from hashtag and welcome back to my channel. The Oppo Reno 3 and the Oppo Reno 3 Pro unveiled in China 2 days ago. The smartphone is going well in China, which has exceeded 1.46 million registrations. According to some reports, 5,80,000 came through JD.com. The Reno 3 Pro has a 6.5 OLED panel with a 90Hz refresh rate and a punch hole for the selfie camera. There are 4 cameras on the back, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle, 48 megapixel main plus 2 megapixel black and white plus 13 megapixel telephoto shooter. Further 5x hybrid zoom and 2x optical zoom were included. As I mentioned before, the Reno 3 Pro comes with a 4025 mAh batteries with 30-watt VOOC 4.0 support, which will deliver 50% in 20 minutes. Oppo Reno 3 Pro powered by upper mid-range Snapdragon 765G SoC, which will be utilized by Redmi K35G. As so, this is the new upper mid-range processor which is announced by Qualcomm this month. Further uses the 360-degree surround antenna design. This will improve the gaming experiences, also keeps the signal stable. Surely it is going to be a great experience for the gaming. Available in 5 colors which include Moonlight White, Moon Night Black, Sunrise Impression, Blue Starry Night and the Misty White. There is a third option is called Oppo Reno 3 Pro Pantone 2020 and comes in a classic blue, has so called it as the color of 2020. Reno 3 Pro has a base version with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage for $515. Oppo will be expected to launch Oppo Reno 3 Pro in February or March 2020 in India. Anyway, I will add full details of the Oppo Reno 3 coming days. So let me know your thoughts about the Oppo Reno 3 Pro in the comment box. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the smartphones and also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. I'm Ashkar from hashtag.